Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Battlefield 6, server disconnected with the error code 180508S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Battlefield 6. So first off, you need to make sure you don't have Riot's anti-cheat running on, so just disable Vanguard. If you have it on, you just come here, exit the anti-cheat before you play Battlefield 6, and after that what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp, you're going to go ahead and download this software up. This is basically a DNS changer. So just download this software and install it. And once you've installed it, turn it on. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to go into settings, set it to 1.1.1.1 with warp, and then turn it on. And after that, you're going to go ahead and play Battlefield 6. And you'll see that you won't get disconnected or kicked out of the servers anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.